Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show to you the new for DRC drone that we just imported. So this is the unboxing bit. Let me just set my camera straight. Okay, if you're wondering where I'm at, I'm somewhere in Tigoni, Limuru. I'll show you just in a few. So this is it. It comes in a very sleek bag. I don't know if you can see it. Trying to shoot this in the car. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So just go ahead and open it. See, wow. So you have a book, operating instructions, some cover. We have the charger, extra propellers, what is this? Screwdriver, and yeah. And then here we have the remote. This is the remote. It uses AAA batteries, 3 of them. So that's that. And then here we have stands for the drone, and then some wiping material. Here it is. I don't know if you can see it. Some wiping material. And then now the big baba is here. The big baba himself. Look at him. HD. They said it's a dual camera. Let me see. Yeah, it is. Yeah, dual camera, HD. I'll find that out in a few. What else? Oh, the battery. Voltage is let me see, 1600 mAh, 3.7 volts. Okay. And then we also have some the one that protect the drone from what is it? From collision. Put it here. These ones, the one that you always put them here, and then here, just to protect the propellers. These ones, there are 4 of them. We have 4, and they're quite strong. If you compare these ones to the quality of material of these to the one for E88 and E99 drones, man, day and night. Because these ones are strong. You can take a hit. These ones are quite strong. Even the drone itself, if you look at it, it's solid. Let's just power it on. Nice. Yep. Look at that. Very nice. These ones are for night. You see the 2 lights up blinking, the red. Yeah, those are for at night, so that you can spot it easily. And then the lights, and then the logo YX Mini, and then the material strong, very strong. The camera is big, you guys. Look at it. Yeah, that's it. So I got some batteries. Just got them from the shop. I want to go and give it a test flight, and we see how it goes. I'll record it once I'm done with this. Let me just finish. This opened. Yeah. Yeah. So the batteries are in. This is how you power it on. Good. done this, just add the stand like this. We'll add the stands, and then this one too. Nice. So it's up. Yeah. Here. I just want to see the motors spinning, the propellers. I mean, let's see how it goes. Yeah. Woo! My camera. Okay. I haven't read the instructions, so guys, I'm trying this for the first time. And it's on. Woo! So I'll take it out and try and fly it. You see. Bye. That's how you kill it. Woo! That's it for now. I'll shoot the next video and upload it. Bye.